For today's video, we are going to create a return periods out from RIDF, which was taken from our local Pag-asa. And what we are going to use is the HEC-HMS. So open your project in HEC-HMS, and we create here or add a component in this meteorologic. So we create new component in meteorologic, and we name it here as to frequency. And instead of specified height to graph, we change this to one hypothetical storm and set to default. And click yes. This one also yes, and change the data here. So this is time depending upon your area, and using Gumbel equations. So we copy, for example, here for 24 hours for 2 years. So we put 180, and then we save, and then we create a compute manager. So here click compute and add a compute frequency analysis. So for example 2 years, and we go here to 2 years, and then we add ordinate, at least one ordinate in here, and this one click here 2 years 50%, and that's it. Outflow, and the same time window from others, and you can even copy this one for faster creating a frequency. And so after this we are ready to run our frequency. Okay, so here's the result. So we find here our result, and we can copy this time series table. This one. So this is our frequency for our 2-year return period. So we paste it here so that we can make a graphical representation. And we add another return or RIDF. We just rename it to 100 year return period. So we just change the depth here at the ordinates, and then compute again. So let's check the result for 100 years, and we copy the result of this to our Excel file. So let's check the result of this. So we add to our graph. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching for this video, and don't forget to share, like, and comment your concerns in the comment section, and see you again on our next video.